Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a new post and to put it on my website, which is My Smarter Home. Now I'm going to send you links to two Google documents. The first one is going to be a buyer's guide about a product, and the next document is going to be a series of reviews about a product. So the first thing to do when you go to add a new post is on the buyer's guide. Go to the buyer's guide first of all, and it's going to have a title at the top. So I want you to copy that and then put that in the title. And then you can just copy and paste the rest of the document like so. And then put it in there. And we're going to get rid of that title because that's already up there. And then these headings here, these need to be redone as H2s. So just redo these, all of these headings, all of these questions as H2s. Like so. And then the next thing to do is that on the text, after every sentence, I'm just going to drop a line. Just to leave plenty of space. And just go all the way down like so, every sentence. And you're done. So we've now done the buyer's guide. So the next thing is we're going to go and we're going to have a look at the review. Okay, so the first thing to do here is to copy the name of the product. So this is a camera. And then to put that as a heading, H2. And then the next thing, you're going to have a look at this link here, then you're going to go to its Amazon page. So click on it like so. And then when you get to the right, you're then going to save that image and save it. You must save the image as the product name. So it must be a proper name there. And then you're going to add the image. Like so. And then you're going to go back to the reviews. And you're going to highlight this. This is the affiliate link here. So copy that and put that and make sure that it's not bold. And then you're going to highlight the rest of this. And then just again, every sentence drop a line. Okay, and you're done. So then you're going to move on to the second review, and you're going to highlight the put it in as that. And then you're going to go to the Amazon page. And click on it until you can save image as. And you can save. So go to here, then save image as, and so it's got to have a proper name. And then go back to the post, go to the image, here we go. Come back to here, and then you're just going to highlight the text. Then you're going to go and you are going to highlight the name of the camera again. So it's a heading. Go to the highlight it, save image as, come here, add an image, upload it, and then do that for all of the 6 products that you're reviewing. If you have any questions, then just contact me. Thanks a lot.